Dude, don't be breaking my bolts, man. Don't be breaking my bolts, man.
By the way, we have 1%. We have 1% on this thing.
Oh, yeah?
We'll be right back. We gotta go put a new battery.
I'm not sure what's going on with these two little crazy vatos locals up in here. But today what we're doing, we're dropping the engine in the car. So I got these little vatos.
About like 2 hours.
Josiah and we're watching. Noale is lowering the car. Okay. Keep it down. Okay, slowly. Vasile, you watching your side, right?
Yes.
Stop.
Is that okay?
My side is okay. Let me check your side.
My side's okay.
Okay, hold on. Let's take those nuts. Vasile, take those nuts out.
Those nuts?
Go underneath the car and do it.
Okay.
See them? Same PC nuts right there. Take both of them. There's a washer. Sorry, those around the fender. Fuck, sta muddy. Just taking those nuts. Let me give them my hand real quick. Go ahead. Take the other one too. Oh no, those are long and stuff. So just in case you, wonder, I put studs on the transmission instead of putting bolts because studs are a lot stronger and a lot better for running the transmission. Because if that transmission needs to come out, all the time, what's gonna happen is what? Not the doesn't what wheel? Is that a wheel? Is that a wheel? What is that? Is that a wheel? What is that? What is that? I'm asking you, what is that? Don't touch the fender, I have told you that already.
It's not gonna hit anything. What is that?
Huh?
What is what?
That's a rotor. That's a brake rotor. Boo boo.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's a brake rotor. That's not a rim. A rim is, that's a rim. What you need to know, bro?
Well, that's what's gonna hit on the ground. You want to
Della, come here. Hold this camera over here. Finally got shoes on. Somebody got shoes on.
I have shoes on.
All right, let's watch over there.
Okay. Ready?
Okay, slowly.
Should I go to your side?
Stop.
No, that's gonna hit the ground for sure.
Hold on.
No, mine is like the slightest from hitting the ground.
Okay, I'm watching it. Go, go.
Go? Yes, if I lose it anymore, it's gonna hit the ground. You want to go, Mom? Or Dad?
Go, I said, bro.
Go?
Yeah. Hey, stop. Stop.
Well, this tire's already hit the ground. This tire's already hit the ground.
Which tire?
This one.
Is it already hitting?
It's already hitting.
Okay, go ahead, no. Slowly.
Go!
Okay. Slowly. Stop right there. Keep going.
Barely went.
Stop. A little more. Okay. Nope, too much. Go back up a little bit. Nope. Right there. So we're gonna have to get these two bolts in right now. See that? We should put a washer on this.
Killing it, kid.
So we're gonna have to that one's good, this one's good. Let me find the bolts for this one. Of course I got everything you can see right here.
What size?
Those can go through, see that? Right? Let's see.
Hey, Dad, what are these for?
See those actually we have to make sure that actually we get the right ones.
I mean, Dad, what are these
You
for?
see that?
Those for extras. Dad,
For the suspension.
what are these for?
It's for the stock suspension, but we don't have stock suspension, so we can't use those.
Can I have them?
But I'm gonna save them, no.
No. Save.
So the problem is we gotta get the smaller 17mm bolts for this one right here. Where did I put them? Oh, thank you. Woo, look at that, it's got a motor there.
Woo! probably.
Let's see what we got going on over here. You recording or what?
Yeah?
So we want to make sure that we use the right bolt that goes to it. You see that? Otherwise we're gonna ruin it. Otherwise we're gonna ruin it. See that? See, that bolt is way too long. This has got to go down.
So we need to cut it.
So pretty much this is the bolt we need. The size. This is the size. And I think I just used it. I used it on the suspension in the rear. Let me see here. We have one here. 17.
Oh.
Bro, what did I do with that bolt?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know you did that with the bolt. What? I will catch you on the. Yo, Bakto. We got a little situation, Baktos. I just said that. I even made a good rhyme. We got a little situation, Baktos.
What do you guys think? Does it look good with the RPF ones?
Oh yeah.
That was pretty sharp, huh?
Yeah.
So.
We got a little situation here.
We got a little problem here.
I just said that.
Well, I'll tell them again. So the problem is, if you come over here with the camera and kind of look at this side right here, you can kind of see how the motor manifold sticks out.
Yeah, and it's blocking the
The problem is,
it's blocking the hood.
the guy that owned this car before, he's got the older version mounts for this car, and these mounts right here are molded into the car. As you can tell, it's welded molded, and you cannot change it. It puts us kind of in a tight spot because those are made for a K20. Those mounts are called K1 from Hasport. So, that being said, with the K24 that we just put in,
It's awesome, by the way.
it's not going to clear the hood. Now, as you know, I travel with this car quite a bit, and this hood's got to be on the car. Nonetheless, I got the factory hood, and I got a J's Racing Carbon Fiber hood just like Monica. So, I was able to reach out to Brian at Hasport Mounts, and he's gonna make me some spacers for this mount, for that mount, and then we're gonna try different brackets and a mount for the rear, totally different. And hopefully we can drop the engine down and we can close the hood. Now, right now it's kind of how I want it to be. You know what I mean? As far as like,
It's looking good, but
like ground clearance is great, but the problem is the hood won't clear. I'd rather have like problem with the ground, but I have the hood closed because I hate to have a hood prop like that much high, you know? I don't like to prop the hood. So right now, I don't think I want to do anything else with the car till actually I get the mount stuff situated. So now we're just gonna wait for about a week, and hopefully Brian gets back to us and we're able to do something about it. But at this point, I got the suspension already in the car. I haven't bolted out the axles or nothing because I want to wait to do a final traction bar, everything tied up, because if I have to drop the motor to take those mounts out so we can use the spacers, then we just want to leave everything kind of attached. I don't want to go forward and go backwards.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Also, I think we might need a new camera.
We do? It's not recording?
No, it is. It's just this one's small, and it's.
I mean, if it works, then it works.
It's pretty. Well, maybe we need a new carrying stick.
As you can tell, some of you guys were surprised. This is the name of the car.
Yeah.
We have Monica.
Monica and then Vato.
And then we got
Monica or Vato. Let
This
us
started
know.
to be my wife's car anyway, so.
It's hers that you stole.
And then Vato right here, beast mode.
That's your car.
So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of wrap it, put it today. You know, Ali gave me quite a bit of help with the suspension, with the bushings, with the wiring and all that stuff. So we're just gonna kind of wrap it up for the night. Figure out when I'm gonna put that hood so it doesn't get damaged. Because I don't have room on the wall for another hood. Maybe I should make a room for it. That little bicycle right there, you know?
Yeah.
But I fit right there probably. But then I don't want to put it against that stuff because what if I might just have to do that. Put the hood right there, you know? I mean, I can have all the hoods right there, you know? But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. This is the new setup. I'm gonna do a small kind of just show you how everything looks.
Preview.
You know what I mean? My brake tuck. So I'm gonna probably create some spacer that goes in between the mount and the K24 bracket. We thought about modifying the bracket, but it's not going to work because it goes on a slope and we need about 3/4 of an inch drop. And we're gonna make a spacer at this mount that's gonna go between the mount, the plate, and then the mount. And then we're gonna design a totally new, different mount for the rear with a new bracket. So hopefully that's gonna work. Once the mounts are in the car and everything is fitted, the hood clears, then we're gonna continue on with the build. But for now, I wanna have everything done here before I move into the interior, wiring, finish the brake duct, fuel system, all that stuff.
Also, follow-up question. Which do you prefer, Monica or Vato? Let us know in the comments.
Okay.
Let us know. It's worth.
Well, guys, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. And we'll catch you guys next time. Anything else?